Before the opening bell, U.S. indices, they did manage to close lower on Wednesday, pressured by shares in automobiles and components, semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, and healthcare equipment and services sectors. On the economic docket front, we had the ADP private jobs increasing 183,000 in February, the trade deficit widening to $59.8 billion in December, and the Federal Reserve released its beige book stating a continued expansion in the economic activity in late January and February despite the government shutdown. This all while 81% of SP 500 constituents, they traded lower yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Allergan reporting that phase 3 results for its rapidinestidil, an adjunctive treatment for major depressive disorder MDD, did not meet their primary endpoint. While turning overseas, Asian markets lower today. The Nikkei down 0.65%, the Hang Seng down 0.89%, China CSI 300 down 1.02%, South Korea's Kospi down 0.45%. European markets lower and U.S. futures calling for a negative start. Now, in terms of expectations today, H&R Block, Costco Wholesale, and Kroger all scheduled for release, while on the economic docket 8:30 in the morning, we have both initial and continuing jobless claims figures, and we also have fourth quarter non-farm productivity all at 8:30 in the morning. In the afternoon, we have the January consumer credit report. Now, taking a look at the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That's under pressure and in focus. The relative strength index shows downside momentum. Short positions below 27.79 are favored, with targets at 27.56 and 27.45 in extension. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, that looks for 7,023, while the Dow Jones, that's under pressure.